For the one leg circle, begin by setting up in the supine base position. We're going to start off with the basic option. So taking one leg up to tabletop. Now we're going to use our knee as a guide, keeping the right angle at the knee, and we're going to work from the hip joint. So we start off with a breath in as we start to take the leg around in a circle from the hip joint. When you've got halfway, breathe out to complete the second half of the circle. And we want to go around about 5 times. So it works from the knee, hip joint. If you want to place your hand on the knee just to guide around the circle, check that you're keeping your shoulder stability. So half a circle on a breath in, the second half of the circle on the breath out. Keep it smooth. Now we don't want any squares or triangles, it's a smooth circle. And it's not a race. We want to really feel all the different muscles in that hip area, keeping the spirit level across the front of the pelvis and checking that we're never losing neutral spine. So there's no pressure change under the back of the hips. Now it's up to you how big or small your circle is, but if it does start to get a little bit wibbly wobbly through the middle section, just make your circle a little bit smaller. We can do the opposite direction as well. So we're aiming for 5 circles in each direction. So we're not going from the knee like a can-can dancer, we're moving from the hip. So if you need to, place your hands on the bony bits on the hips, make sure they're staying level. You should be feeling all your core muscles working. They'll all work at different times, feel the different muscles work. You move the circle round and round. Breath in for half a circle, breath out for half a circle. While this leg is moving, just check that the leg still attached to the floor is perfectly still. So we don't want it wobbling around. It's the spare knee and it should just point straight up to the sky. And when you've done both circles, both directions, 5 circles each way, you can place the leg back down. If you feel that you want a harder option, we can use a straighter leg. So instead of having the leg bent, we've now got a straight leg, energy pushing from the core through the leg, through the body. And it's exactly the same again from the hip joint. Breath in for half a circle, breath out for half a circle. 5 circles each way round. And again, just check that there's no corners, no lumps and bumps. We want a really smooth circle. Everything's stable, no wibbly wobbling, no pressure change under the back. Take your time and really concentrate on how many different muscles you can feel working inside your body. You can make your circles smaller or bigger as you need to. Keep the spare knee pointing straight up. And we can change direction after the first 5, just complete another 5 the opposite way round. So we're working all the muscles evenly. And feeling the mobility come. Keep energizing, move that core energy. Breathe through the rib cage, use your lungs. And work until you've done both the directions evenly on both legs.